Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I'm here with a video for our not even a a business idea series. So today we're going to talk about a I don't know. I'm not going to call this a one word because if I can find a business that is one word, I will bring it back. But this is a one phrase business. Now, the business that I'm going to show you is super popular, but also I want to go into in depth of, how this brand started with one phrase, but then was able to expand as they got even more popular. But for a long time, they were only selling one style of shirt. So if you are new here, make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road to 5,000 followers. I will be doing a life update and possibly a channel giveaway. And I'm also on the road to 100 podcast episodes. So make sure you check out the description box for a link to my podcast. I do post some of the episodes here on YouTube as well. But make sure you are chatting with me in the comment. I'm super excited to just keep going and keep growing and giving you guys the content that you deserve. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So the business that we are going to be looking at today is God is Dope. They have 442,000 followers. I don't know if the name is trademark, but God's favorite brand seems to be trademark. Okay. So here is their Instagram page. They have really great content, and as you can see, they have a variety of different styles of shirts. So just from looking at that here, you can tell that their main shirt is the God is Dope shirt, and this is kind of what they started with. So I want to show you guys the website. So the first thing you see is that logo. God is Dope, and they have a breast cancer awareness shirt. And then I started from the old to new. So these are products that they had in the very beginning. So they have these bands which says God is Dope, and this is the style of t-shirt that they started with in the beginning. I remember, starting to see it a lot, but that was kind of the first one that they had. And then you see they do have a different colorways with that God is Dope. They have the Chick-fil-A one. And then they have the Nike inspired one. I don't care what anybody says, this was inspired by Nike. And you can't tell me any different, okay? So they did a Kobe one. I mean, a LeBron one for the finals, but they also did a Kobe one. They also had a colorway of when Beyonce dropped her Adidas collection. So this is the new to old. So here you see they did this for LeBron James and the Lakers when they won the series finale. You see they went into Vote for God. So what happens is they started with one thing, this brand right here. This is their logo, the main thing. And then I started seeing them do this, and then every other thing has something about God in it, okay? So they started to use that, straight down right here, the Nike inspired one. But they kept within their business, right? Kind of kept doing the same things. If God can get us through 2020, He can get us through anything. Vote for God. They do have more shirts. Let me see if all will show up. They do. I think they have a Black Lives Matter one as well. I don't know why it does not like just let me see everything, which is annoying. So let's see if it gives me more than what's on the page. It's featured, best selling. When I do alphabetical, that's annoying too. So I know they have more shirts than that, but let's go to all. Let's see. A little bit more, but not all, because I know they have even more. So let me just search the Black Lives Matter shirt. Okay, maybe that was a small run, but again, let's see if it's on their page. Okay, you see they have all these different colors. That was that uh, Adidas drop colorway. This was the Kobe inspired one. This is the Chick-fil-A one. Let's see. They did this colorway like this as well. This colorway, they have this on shoes. They did a I Can't Breathe one. They did a Michael Jordan one. So I don't know why I can't see them all on the website. This like a tiger print, cheetah print. They have different colors here, but that's like the most popular one, you know? Here's like the one that I was telling you guys about. So they do have that purple. So it's kind of pretty much on everything. And now I want to take you guys to Etsy because when it's popular, this is what happens. Everybody on Etsy wants to do their version of God is Dope. Um, I don't know if that is actually trademarked, so I don't know if they can sue or have these pulled down, but there is a lot of them. So this just kind of validates, their ideas. It's 1,886. And some people got fancy with it and made it look different, try to change it up. So black is dope. God is dope. God is dope. So it's a lot here. As you can see. Oh, excuse me, guys. But this is basically how you take a one phrase and turned it into an entire brand. And I'm sure they're selling so many t-shirts on and on again. So when thinking of an idea and get stuck, think of maybe one phrase that you can change around or create on one shirt that is super powerful and continue to sell that. And then once, your business starts to grow, if you can sell that same shirt over and over again, you can continue to grow and scale your business into other designs. Because my thinking behind it is, even though I only have one phrase, everybody hasn't seen it yet. So everybody needs to see it and everybody needs to know about this one shirt that I have in maybe 10 different colors. Okay. Um, so that is the thought about behind that. So I hope you guys can learn something from this, especially when you're thinking about building your print on demand business, how serving a community or a tribe or consumers who are in touch or in tune with a phrase that is so magnified, you can pull on the heartstrings of people to pay you money for that thing. But you have to find that tribe or that phrase that will hit home and you can be able to build a brand around it and be, selling 6 figures a month, 6 figures a year, whatever you want, with that brand. If you take time to do your research and nurture it and, make it grow. So I hope you guys enjoy this business idea series. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.